Welcome to this problem solving tutorial. Let's tackle the expression 53 power 3 plus 24 power 3 over 53 power 3 plus 29 power 3. Let's see how to solve this. Observe the numerator. It is in the form of a power 3 plus b power 3. Isn't it? While we can solve this using the formula for a power 3 plus b power 3, but I will show you an essential shortcut trick to simplify it quickly. This technique is crucial for competitive exams where speed and accuracy are vital. Let's dive in and learn how to solve this problem efficiently. Observe the numbers. We have 53 whole power 3, 24 whole power 3 and 29 whole power 3. First let's start with 53 whole power 3. This 53 whole power 3 we can write this as 53 whole power. This 3 we can write this as 2 plus 1 which is same as 3. Now it is in the form of a power m plus n, isn't it? So we can write this as a power m times a power n. Use this property here. 53 power 2 times 53 power 1 is nothing but 53 only. Now by using shortcut trick I am going to find the value of 53 whole power 2 and then I will multiply with 53. This 3 is in unit place and 5 is in tens place. Square shortcut trick. First we have to square the tens digit. So which is 5. 5 power 2 is 25. And then square the units digit. So 3 square is 9. You write it as double digit 0, 9. And then multiple all the numbers. What you have? We have 5, 3, 2. So multiply all the numbers. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. So just write here 3, 0, 30. And then add these numbers. You will get 2809. 2809 times 53. So now we need to multiply this. Here also I am going to show you another shortcut trick. Multiply these numbers. We have 2809 and we have 53. First, lay out the numbers horizontally and then vertically. After that, draw the rows and columns. And then draw the diagonal lines into each box, splitting them into two spaces. After that, multiply the numbers. First you have to start with 5 and multiply the 2. That is 2 times 5 is 10. So you have to fill the two boxes, here 1 and here 0. Now multiply 8 with 5. So 8 times 5 is 40. Now multiply 0 with 5. That is 0. So you will write it as a double digit to fill these boxes. 9 times 5 is 45. Now you have to multiply with 3. So start with 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. So you write it as a double digit to fill these boxes. And then 8 times 3 which is 24. And then 0 times 3 which is 0 is 27. So the last step is extend the diagonals and then add the numbers. Just that's it. So here we have only 7. So just write 7 here. And in this diagonal we have 5 and 2. So when you add 5 and 2 you will get 7. Now we have this diagonal line, that is 4, 0, 0, 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Just write 8 here. Now we have 6, 2, 0, 0 in this diagonal line. 6 plus 2 is 8. And here in this diagonal we have only 4, 0, 0. So just write only 4. And the last number we left only 1. So you have to write from here to here. So that is 148,877. This is the value of 53 whole power 3. Now we are going to find the value of 24 whole power 3. Here also we are going to use the same trick. So 24 whole power 3 we can split into 24 whole power 2 times 24. So first square the tens digit and then square the units digit and multiply all the numbers. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So after adding you will get 576. 576 times 24. So now we need to multiply these two numbers. So lay out the numbers horizontally and then vertically. And then draw the rows and columns. Then draw the diagonal lines into each box, splitting them into two spaces. Now multiply the numbers. So what you have to do now? extend the diagonals, add the numbers. That's it. Twenty-four whole power 3, the value 13,824. So now we need to find 29 whole power 3 using the same tricks. So now using the square trick, we are going to find the value of 29 whole power 2. 841. Now we need to multiply 841 times 29. So lay out the numbers horizontally and then vertically. And then draw the rows, then columns. Draw a diagonal line in each and every box, splitting them into two spaces. Now multiply the numbers. We have to extend the diagonals, add the numbers. 24,389. Just add these two numbers. So that means you have to add these two numbers. After adding these two numbers, we got 162,701 divided by, now we have 53 whole power 3 plus 29 whole power 3. Now we need to add these two. So then we will get 173,266. Here you may think it is difficult to do the division, but think logically and solve the division. When dividing 162,701 by 173,266, notice the denominator exceeds the numerator. To simplify, round the denominator to the nearest thousand. If you are rounding the denominator number to the nearest thousand, making calculations faster and more manageable. So that's why 173,266. So when you take nearest thousand, we will get 173,000. Now, for example, if you have a number 80 divided by 40, you will get the result 2, isn't it? So same number 80 divided by 40, we can write this fraction as 80 over 4 times 10. And also we can write this 80 over 4 times 1 over 10, isn't it? So 20 times 1 over 10, which gives 2 only. So we can do division like this. Otherwise, we can split and do division. The result is same. So I am going to use this technique, splitting and dividing. Split into 173 times 1000. So this I can write this as 162,701 over 173 times 1 over 1000. First perform this division, later adjust the result dividing by 1000. In one of my previous video, I explained division trick. For a deeper understanding of division techniques, I recommend watching my previous video, the link available in the description. Let's start. 17 times 9 is 153. So we will get the result 9 and the remainder is 9. Write the result at top and denominator at the bottom. Remainder combine with the next number. Now you have 97. Do minus, multiply the last digit of the denominator with the result just you got. So 3 times 9. So 97 minus 27, which gives 70. Divide 70 by 17. 17 times 4 is 68. So the result is 4 and remainder is 2. Write the result 4 at the top and write the remainder at the bottom. Now combine with the next number. So now you have 20. So 20 minus, multiply the last digit of the denominator with the result just you got. 20 minus 12 is 8. Dividing 8 by 17 is difficult to do the division. So in this case, what you have to do? Here you are combining with the next number, which is 20. So instead of combining single digit, you have to combine the one more digit. That means you have to take this one also. Now you have 201. So whenever you are taking another extra digit, we need to add 1 0 for the result. So now you have 201. 201 minus, multiply last digit of the denominator with the result just you got. What you got? Just result 40 you got. So 3 times 40. 3 times 40 is 120. So 201 minus 120, which gives 81. So divide 81 by 17. 17 times 4 is 68. The remainder is 13. Write the result at the top and the remainder right at the bottom. So but here we don't have any number, just stop the process. So when you do division 162,701 divided by 173, we got 9,404 times 1 over 1000. When you do division here, you will get 0.9404. This is the final result. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, subscribe now to stay updated on new math tricks and shortcuts. Thank you for watching.